Hello guys, today we will discuss how to create keywords research for your app on Google Play or App Store with the help of Keyapp platform for app analytics and app keywords promotion. First of all, you need to create an account at our platform and it is completely for free. Everything you need to create an account is just an email address. After you have created an account, just go to My Apps, and the first step will be adding an app to an account. So just press Add New App, paste the link to Google Play or App Store app, just direct link, and choose the country where the app is available, for example, United States. Press Add. And the app is here in account. The first tool we would like to pay your attention to while gathering the keywords for your app with keyapp.top is Smart Campaign. This tool will help you to get the list of available keywords for which your app is in top 250 on Google Play or App Store. So just go to Add Smart Campaign, press Continue, choose the store Google Play or App Store. In our case, it is Google Play. Choose the app, or just add new application with the link as we did is My Apps section. Press Continue. Choose the country you would like to get the keywords for. United States in our case. Press Continue, and the system starting to generate keywords and analyze your app to get the keywords for which the application is in top 250. So this system analyzes the app description, short description, long description, subtitle, title, keyword fields, and shows the list of keywords. Here the list is shown, and you can choose the most relevant keywords for your app and add them to the section My Keywords. In My Keywords section, you should choose the store, Google Play or App Store, the app you would like to proceed with keywords research for, and the region you're interested in, for example, United States. Then you can add the keywords with the button Add My Keywords. For example, let's add the keyword drawing lessons. Here we see that the system analyzed the keyword and showed, first of all, the rank of the app for this keyword. So the current position of your app on Google Play for the keyword drawing lesson in the United States. The second is score. Score shows the keyword popularity on the store in the chosen region. So the score may be from 5 to 100, and of course, the higher the score is, the more popular the keyword is. The third is traffic. Traffic is an estimated number of searches for the keyword on Google Play or App Store daily. So it is an approximate amount of searches of this keyword by real organic users daily in the United States, in our case, as we have chosen the country, the USA. Also, you can check the graphics of keyword increase or decrease for the particular period of time. So for 30 days, 3 months, 6 months, and 1 year. Also, in this section, you can import keywords from another region. Let's imagine that you have already proceeded with keyword research for Canada, and you would like to import the keywords from Canada to the United States to check the positions and the scores, so the popularity. So we can just press Import Keywords, choose Canada, and confirm. And the keywords which were added to Canada at our platform in My Keywords will be imported to the United States. So we can check the ranks as well. And of course, these scores may be different for different regions, as the keywords have different popularity in different countries. So in this video, we have discussed some tools which can help you to get the keywords for your app and proceed with keyword promotion. In next video, we will continue, so contact us if you have any questions.